Saving money while being paid bi-weekly can be managed effectively with a few strategies. Number one, create a budget. Track your income and expenses based on your bi-weekly pay schedule. Allocate funds for fixed expenses, savings, and discretionary spending. Number two, automate savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account right after payday. Aim for a specific percentage of your income to save each period. All right? Number three, use the Paycheck Method. Basically, treat each paycheck as a mini budget. Divide your expenses into two categories: essentials for rent and bills, and non-essentials, entertainment and dining. Number four, plan for irregular expenses. Set aside money each paycheck for irregular expenses like car maintenance or annual subscriptions to avoid last-minute financial strain. Number five, limit impulse purchases. So wait 24 hours before making a non-essential purchase. It's going to help you determine if you really need it or not, and if you still want it or not. Number six, take advantage of bonuses. So basically, if you receive an extra pay, periods in a year, like a third paycheck, consider saving a significant portion of that income. And by following these tips, you can build a solid savings foundation while managing your bi-weekly income effectively.